Hello and welcome to our daily morning updates from Xtrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. Yesterday we saw the Nifty was weak and we were seeing the profit booking was happening mainly by the DIS and the selling was dominating yesterday. Even though there was some selected public sector banks which were just pushing the bank Nifty up, but still the trend was in the lower side and it closed low. So what made the Nifty to close low yesterday? Mainly the culprits were HDFC twins. Both the HDFC twins were been seeing very attractive selling, and IT stocks, pharma stocks and select consumer stocks were seeing the selling pressure. It led to the index closing lower by close to 105 points. Bank Nifty closing lower by 187 points. Both the Bank Nifty was below the level of 37,000. Nifty was below the level of the support zone of 15,250, but still it hold on to that 15,200 levels. So the breadth was very weak. In the mid caps also seeing profit booking was happening, and while the PSU banks somehow they were trying to just uplift the market and they were giving some sort of good resistance, good support for the Nifty, and it was making almost the Nifty to little bit gain up the lost momentum in the final hours of the market yesterday. So the FIIs and the DA numbers, FIIs yesterday sold close to 1,008 crores and DAs I beg your pardon, FIIs bought close to 1,008 crores and DAs sold close to 1,283 crores. So still the positive news from this is FIIs are still buying and the buying momentum, the bullish momentum is still intact. Okay, where it leads us to the market setup. The market setup today, we are seeing the XGS Nifty with a small gap up of 44 points. It is somewhere around 15,240-45 zones, but it's still mixed. We don't have a clear-cut view, either it's extremely bullish or extremely bearish. So it's a bit mixed because the US markets also closed with Dow Jones with closed gains, but Nasdaq saw profit booking and it ended up low. The worrying point is the oil prices. It is keep on going, it's climbing up, and it's having an impact in the markets. So the trade setup for the day, the levels we need to watch out for will be, we are still seeing the market is overextended and the chance of profit booking might continue because we had a stellar extended rally and market will try to take some cool off. Some cooling off will happen, and we were hinting this for the past couple of days. There's a chance of this might be happening. Being a weekly expiry today, markets will be volatile and we need to watch out for the levels, very clear levels. If Nifty is breaking down 15,150, we can see some downside towards the 15,000, but still 15,000 is having a very good support level, so we need to watch out whether the support is being held up. The resistance side, Nifty has to cross yesterday's high, which is 15,334. Any movement above 15,300 will attract some positive news, positive buying, and we need to see whether the buying is getting sold off in the higher levels. We need to watch out for that. So the levels, as I mentioned, the support for the day will be 15,150 and the resistance for the day for Nifty will be 15,334. For Bank Nifty, the support will be around 36,650. Bank Nifty resistance will be around 37,350. Important point, the VIX volatility index is still in the low point only. It is in 21.50. If we are seeing a movement of VIX going up, we can see the volatility increasing and market to be dipping down. Okay, so what are results coming today? There isn't much results. Almost all the major results are over. Today we can see a notable company called Ambuja Cements will be coming up with their results, and other small companies also along with Ambuja Cements are releasing their results today. Important stocks to watch out. We can see we can keep an eye on Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel, GAIL, Jubilant Foodworks and Dish TV. Why we are focusing on Bharti Airtel? Bharti Airtel is going to acquire Warburg Pincus, the affiliate of 20% equity stakes in DTH. They have a DTH firm of arm called as Bharti Telemedia, and they are going to acquire that, and this Bharti Telemedia is going to be a 100% subsidiary of Bharti Airtel. So Tata Steel we are seeing is because there is amalgamation between both companies. One is Banipal Steel Limited and Tata Steel, which is the formerly the Bhushan Steel. So the amalgamation which is going to happen on March 26th, 2021. GAIL, there is a share buyback on February 25th, which is going to close on March 10th. India Mesh also is coming up with buyback, so you need to focus on this stock also. Jubilant Foodworks has appointed Ashish Goneka as a CFO. He was previously in Bharti Airtel, and now he has joined Jubilant Foodworks. Dish TV board approved raising funds of up to 1000 crores. So these are the stocks you need to keep a watch out, and we can keep an focused view on the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty plays a vital role today. If Bank Nifty is going up, we can see an upward movement and trajectory in the market. Wishing you all success. Have a wonderful trading day. Thank you.